welcome to our YouTube channel Unique Tech Support. In the previous videos we studied about different kind of sensors, relays, power supplies and all. And in this video it's very important because of the COVID-19 crisis. We have been suffer with a lot of social problems. So very important is we should maintain and the social distancing, as well as we should wash our hands with a sanitizer or liquid soap. So generally what happens in the liquid dispensing or liquid wash soaps, so generally we wash our hands and so many persons are pressing the same nozzle every time. So in this video we are going to show you how to design the automated contactless hand sanitizer with a very simple components what we have studied in the previous videos: Arduino controller, sensors and a simple power supply. Let us do the thing. So to design this automatic hand sanitizer system, it's very essential that you should watch this video completely from start to end. So then only it is possible you can able to design your own device, because each and every step is linked to the next step. So that's why it is a request to please watch this video till end. The components and equipments required to build this circuit. So this is ultrasonic sensor, 5 volt and 12 volt providing power supply, a small wires of male and female connector. There is a relay interfacing circuit, Arduino controller board, a small DC pump which useful in windshield application of in automobile section. There is a small plastic container, a small plastic pipe. Now let us know how to interconnect all these things in the next part of the video. Let us assemble all these components together according to the diagram. The circuit is arranged like this. The Arduino controller, pin number 7 and pin number 6 are interfaced to the ultrasonic sensor. As we know that in ultrasonic sensor, we have 4 pins, plus 5 volt which is connected to 5 volt supply, ground, and the rest of the 2 pins are trigger and echo pin. The trigger pin is interfaced to pin number 7 of the Arduino, and pin number 6 is connected to echo pin. So now according to the obstacle found in front of the ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino controller program execute and provided the pin number 13 as its output according to the program. Now in the previous video I already explained how to interface the relays and all. That's why we connected one transistor followed by a relay, and the output, the pump, the sanitizer dispensing pump which required a 12 volt power supply, and the relay is connected across common and NO terminal to the pump. So as the microcontroller execute a program when it is detected any object or hand in front of the sensing area, the output goes high which saturate the transistor and the relay goes on, and now this is in a complete circuit. So because of that the pump goes on and dispense the sanitizer liquid or solution according to the time delay decided. Here we decided around 2 seconds of delay to dispense the sanitizer, and after 2 seconds the output goes off, and the next cycle once again repeat until the one more time the ultrasonic sensor detect any kind of object. This is the final assembly. We connected all the components together: Arduino controller, relay interface, the power supply unit, transformer, and the sensors are interfaced on the top position of the nozzle, and the pump is connected to a small pipe, and the pipe output is connected near the dispensing system. So in this tank we are filled with a hand sanitizer liquid, and as the program execute whenever it is detected any hand movement, so the sanitizer will dispense. Thanks for watching this video. So in this video we studied about how to design the hand sanitizer machine with a very simple electronic component, and I hope each and everybody has to go and design your own hand sanitizer system for your offices, homes, and even for the shops. And if you are not watched our previous videos, so you please watch our videos in the link which is provided in the description box, so that you can design this overall project very easily. And you are not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and comment us, so that we can still very good videos we are going to upload in the next sessions. Thank you.